Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Laurie and thanks for stopping by. And today I thought that I would share with you one of my pets. This is my little dog Tango. He's 11 years old and he was a rescue from Tennessee. I did get him when he was about 8 weeks old. He is absolutely a sweetheart. He's Yorkie and I don't know, maybe Silky Terrier. Not 100% sure what else is in there, but he is a doll. Anyways, this is Tango, and now let's get on to the haul. So I've been watching all my friends' thrifting videos, and I just got itchy and was like, I have to go. So I took a trip to the Goodwill, and I thought I would share with you the little treasures that I found. The first thing I found was this set of awesome wooden candle holders. Like 1,000 things were going through my head what I could do with them. They're really tall. I think they're about 18 inches tall. And they're actually in pretty good shape, a little beat up, so I definitely see like a paint job coming. But I only paid $1.99 a piece, so I was pretty happy with these. I thought they were cute. All the DIYs I'm seeing, like everyone is using bead accents. So I found this bag of beads. Most of them are the same size. There's a few small ones in there, but I'm sure I could do something with them. But I found these and I'm like, you know what? I've got to pick them up because I'm sure I'm going to be putting them in some DIY. So I grabbed a bag of these, also $1.99. Now I picked these up. I don't know if you can see what they are. Actually, they were sitting like this when I first saw them. And what I'm going to do is open them up so you can see them. When I went to the register, the boy asked me if it was a pyramid that was checking me out. So it's like, I said, I don't think it's a pyramid. I think what they are, well, like I said, they were like this. I think what it is, isn't it like the bottom of maybe a little flower planter or some type of wooden accent? At least that's what I'm thinking I'm going to do with them. And I got 3 of them. Let's see if I can pull them out of the package here. And it looks like there was a hole already drilled out. So 1, 2, and 3. So I got these, but they were selling them like this, so I guess it did kind of look like a pyramid. But yeah, on the top there's a little hole, so I'm guessing I can stick something in there and maybe put like a wooden flower or something. I thought that was kind of neat. So all 3 of these together were $1.99. And then I found this. It's glass. I thought it was kind of neat. I really like the shape of it. It kind of reminds me of a pumpkin. I don't know, I'm a little sometimes, so maybe not, but definitely needs to be washed. But when I saw it sitting there, I was thinking, pumpkin. So I thought this was pretty cute. Also, $1.99. I watch so many of the women and men YouTube channels that create home decor. They literally take nothing and they make it look like this absolutely beautiful, stunning piece. So I wanted to try to recreate it. I'm not that great, so I'm like, let's see what do they have. So when I was at the Goodwill, I couldn't believe it. I'm walking down the aisle, and what do I find? Were these beautiful, I guess they're candle holders. But on the stations that I watch, they put like beautiful things on top, like just like a little pumpkin or whatever. And it looks like a display at like Nordstrom's. They're beautiful. So I was so excited. I found these. I'm actually going to try to do something in my home with them and use their ideas. And what did I pay? Oh, $1.99 a piece. And it's actually a set of 3, so they all match. The tops of them, not really the best. They're kind of like beat up a little bit, but you know, I'm thinking either some paint or I don't know, I could put just a little paper in there. It would work great. So I was pretty happy. I found these. That was like one of my better finds. And the last thing that I found was this. Dun, 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 dun. Beautiful serving tray. It's actually wood. And I've seen a bunch of people change them up on YouTube. I cannot wait to start checking out all the other channels and see what they do because I'm definitely going to do something with it. I like the color, but it's not really that country yellow color. It's kind of a little bit brighter, and I don't know, I'm like one of those people really into earthy colors, so I'm probably going to do something like that. But I was so pleased with it, and guess what, guys? $1.99. So that was my big trip at Goodwill. Well, thanks again for hanging out with me. If you haven't yet subscribed, you know to click that little subscribe button below and then hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload any more videos. I'm so happy you hung out with me. I always have a blast. You guys make my world a better place. I hope you enjoyed meeting my dog Tango. And until the next time, have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.